So now let's talk about how to find your unique focus. So here you are, you're ready to find your central theme, right? So let's get to it. First things first, finding your central theme is like trying to find a needle in a haystack or a matching sock in a dryer. It's not always easy, but it is definitely worth it. Your central theme is what will give your memoir focus and depth and meaning. It's what will make your story sing and what will make it unforgettable. So how do you find your central theme, right? Well, here's a few tips to get you started. So think about what makes your story unique. What sets you apart from everyone else? What are the defining moments or experiences that have shaped you into the person that you are today? What makes your story different from every other story out there? You are unique. Your story is different. You just have to identify what those differences are. Now consider your passions and your interests. What are the things that light you up? What are the topics or the themes that you're most drawn to? And what are the things that you could probably talk about for hours on end? So reflect on the emotions that come up as you think about your life experiences. What are the feelings that you associate with different moments in your life? Your childhood, your adulthood, as you've gone through your story in your mind, what feelings does that, drum up for you? What are the things that make you feel most alive, most fulfilled, most joyful? Figure those moments out. And then also look for patterns in your life experience. What are the recurring themes or motifs that you see in your life story? What are the things that just keep showing up over and over and over again? What are the things that seem to be guiding you toward a particular path or a direction? Consider your audience. Who are you writing this memoir for? What are the things that they would most likely be interested in or most moved by, most inspired by? What are the things that will resonate with them on a deep emotional level? Explore different angles and perspectives. Sometimes our central theme isn't immediately obvious, and it may require looking at our life experiences from a different angle or perspective. So if you're not getting something immediately the way you're thinking about it, kind of twist it up and try approaching your story from a different angle, like your relationships or your career or your personal growth. You may be surprised at what you discover. Don't be afraid to get vulnerable. Finding your central theme may require digging deep and getting uncomfortable. It may require confronting some difficult emotions, some painful memories, or uncomfortable truths. But remember, it's through our vulnerabilities that we connect with others on a deeper level. Your central theme may be something that you've been hiding or avoiding, but you might find that embracing it may be the key to actually unlocking your story's true potential. Now, sometimes finding our central theme requires experimenting with different styles of writing and formats. Maybe your story is best told through poetry or through letters to your younger self. It may be vignettes, but don't be afraid to play around with different styles and formats until you find the one that captures your central theme. And then get feedback from others. Sometimes we're too close to our own story to see the forest for the trees. Getting feedback from others can actually be a great way to gain a fresh perspective and to identify the central themes and motifs that we may have missed. Find a trusted friend, a family member, or a writing group to share your work and ask for their honest feedback. And be gracious and open enough to listen to it when they provide it. Now remember, finding your central theme takes time and patience. It may require some soul searching, some journaling, and maybe a few glasses of wine. Don't worry though. You got this. You got this. Your central theme is out there. It's just waiting for you to discover it. Just keep exploring, keep digging, and you will find it. You never know what's going to happen out there.